Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm coming back for you with an unboxing of a big jewelry box from Pandora. So as you can see, this bag is kind of big. It's a new bag from them. And also I'm going to show you some pieces that I got for my birthday. So stay tuned, guys. So here's how the box looks. So this box has been on sale since April 18th. So it was 49 euros and it came in this beautiful pink box. So this is how it looks inside. It's wrapped in paper. So we're going to take it out. Ooh. This is how it looks when you open it. You have some papers. And so here's how it looks. You have two kind of spaces. There is one here and one here. Inside it's kind of velvety, and you also can take this out. So you have those two parts here. And I think this one is made for the bracelet. Here I think you could put some orphan charms, and here you have some space for rings, and I guess here it's also for some charms and earrings, but I guess you could also put bigger rings here. I guess here you could put some necklaces because you can see some dents here. And here, well, I don't have a Pandora earrings, so I think I'm going to take this part out and put some rings or charms here, or maybe my clip opener. And here's the box. You have a mirror here, and yeah, I love the pink color, and yeah, I love the velvet texture inside. This is how it looks, a beautiful pink. I got it today, so I'm really happy. Do you guys have this one in your countries? Because I'm not sure if it's like worldwide or only just in Paris. But yeah, I really love Pandora jewelry boxes, and I kind of want them to like make like, for example, if you purchase like 100 euros, you could get a box or a jewelry pouch. It would be great instead of like a bangle or a charm. So I'm going to give you a closer look on it. I love pink and gray together. I feel like it's a really nice color scheme, and yeah, I feel like it's going to be like to look really cute on my drawer. Also, guys, it was my birthday party yesterday, and I wanted to show you 3 pieces that I got. 2 I bought for myself, and the third one was a gift. So I already styled them, so I'm not going to show them. I'm not going to take them out of the bracelet, but the first one is this one. It's like the rainbow mosaic charm, and I want it so much because it goes so well with the Murano and actually with Dumbo charm. So I'm really happy I got it. It's really special. And also, yeah, in the mail I got the Ferris wheel charm, which is also really pretty and fitting for this bracelet. Also, I got myself this charm, and I'm not sure of the name, but I was really attracted to this charm because of like the inside pink color and the hearts in silver. I think it's really pretty and detailed, and this is going on my rose gold bracelet, and I'm going to probably to give you a design of the week of this bracelet, so stay tuned. And also from my friend I got this charm. Oops, sorry. I got this charm from my friend, which is the happy birthday charm, and I think it's like a card, and when you open it, it goes like this. It's written best wishes inside, and yeah, really nice. And on the back there's a heart. So yeah, I think I know where I'm going to put this charm. I think it's going to be on my personality bracelet. So here you go, guys. It was a quick and messy video, but I still hope you liked it. It's kind of hard for me now to film while I'm working, and also it was a really busy week because of my birthday and things I was going to organize. So I'm still going to do design of the weeks. Sometimes I pre-record them and I schedule them for like Sunday of each week. So thank you as always for commenting and subscribing. I hope you had a wonderful day and a nice Mother's Day. So thank you as usual, my Pandora sisters, and I'll see you next time. Bye guys.